What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial professional. Welcome to my channel. Please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. So here is MULN, Mullen Automotive. This finishes at 31.42 cents today. That is up 19.33%. So the last time we analyzed this stock was about a month ago when the Mullen 5 crossover tour happened. If you guys recall, I did predict that it would be a buy the rumor, sell the news event. A lot of apes did not like that, but this did end up selling the news. Not much has happened in the past month. This bottomed out at 18. Yesterday there was news on a partnership with Loop Global to work on EV charging. The apes really liked that news. The stock pumped up over 20% yesterday. And today, again, we are getting some very good PR. Randy Marion Automotive Group, a dealership operator, is going to purchase 6,000 Class 1 EV cargo vans, valued at about $200 million. So again, the apes really like the PR, jumped in here, and the stock pumped up another 20% today. The stock has actually been gamma squeezing in the past week, low key. This was number 1 on StockTwits today, had almost 15,000 mentions. Very hot stock right now. Retail favorite. So once again, we're going to analyze the stock today. All right, let's jump right in. Let's go ahead and analyze here. So first of all, we have a cup and handle in the making here. Bottom of the cup being the low of 18 cents. And the top of the cup here would be 61 cents. And longer term, this is part of an even bigger cup and handle where this has the potential to come back to 75 cents, 93 cents, 110, 138, 152, or 165. But those are all bullish indicators that is telling us that the stock should come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. And then we have a double gap down. First gap down was created back at 47 cents. So that's a bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 47 cents to fill that gap. And that gap should fill in the short term. And the second gap down was way back at 465. So another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock might come back up to 465. But honestly, that seems pretty unlikely. Here we had a descending channel forming where the upper channel was at 23 cents and the lower channel was at 13.5 cents. So if this broke 23 to the upside, that'd be bullish. And if this broke 13.5 to the downside, that'd be bearish. This did in fact break 23 to the upside. So the descending channel is currently a bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock may be due for a breakout, which it currently is breaking out. Down here on the MACD, the moving average convergence divergence, the MACD line has crossed the signal line about a week ago and is pulling away to the upside now. So the MACD is currently a bullish indicator that is telling us that it may be time to buy. In the aftermarket here, this is running up to 33 cents. So if this aftermarket action holds, that would be a bullish indicator for tomorrow. That is suggesting that tomorrow, this stock will continue to run to the upside. RSI is currently at 62. So not quite overbought and overvalued, but approaching that. So be careful, guys. So the RSI is currently a slightly bearish indicator that is telling us that the current price of 31.42 cents should be a little bit lower. And right now we do have an ascending channel forming where the upper channel is currently at 46 and the lower channel is currently at 30. So if this breaks 46 to the upside, that'd be bullish. And if this breaks 30 to the downside, that'd be bearish. So the ascending channel is currently a neutral indicator, and we'll see which way the stock breaks out. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. So right now, this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 32.2 cents and 31.1 cents. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 32.2 cents, 33 cents, 34.1 cents, 34.9 cents, 36.2 cents, 37.6 cents, 38.8 cents, 41 cents, 43.7 cents, 44.3 cents, 46.2 cents, 47.7, 50.1, 50.9, 52, 53.9, 56.3, 59.6, and then 61. There is resistance above 61 cents, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 31.1 cents, 30 cents, 28.1, 26.5, 25.2, 24.1, 23.2, 22.6, 21.6, 21, 20.4, 19.7, 19, 18.4, and then the low of 18 cents. 18 is the yearly low, so no support below that. And this did 620 million in volume today. Very significant volume, way above the average of 74 million. Tied for the second biggest volume day of the year. So this pump slash squeeze today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. So fundamentally, I'm not the biggest fan of this company. I'm not going to get into it. I've done videos in the past with my criticisms about Mullen. But I will admit, technically, the chart does look pretty bullish in the short and long terms. Again, we do have a lot of strong bullish indicators in the cup and handle, double gap down, descending channel MACD, and aftermarket action. We have one slightly bearish indicator in the RSI and one neutral indicator in the ascending channel. And if this PR is true, that would be a very significant order. So things are starting to look up. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice. The current price of 31.42 cents is not the greatest entry, to be honest. Below average entry here. That being said, there is still a lot of upside potential here. This gapped down at 47 cents, so this should eventually come back up there to fill the gap, and maybe even to 61 cents to complete the cup here. So from the current price of 31.42 cents up to 47 cents, where the gap is, that would be about a 50% upside potential. So a lot of upside potential in the short term here, and it's pretty difficult to tell how low this may pull back, but we do have some very critical support at the low of 18 cents. So it's going to take a lot of selling pressure to break that. So we'll just use 18 cents as the potential low. And from the current price of 31.42 cents, that would be about a 45% downside potential. So I would say going long at the current price, 31.42 cents would be a high risk, high reward play. Not really worth it in my opinion. Going long would kind of be FOMO at this point. It's not really an investment, more like a gamble. So personally, I would stay away from the stock right now. So if you guys want to gamble, please do that at your own risk. It could pay off really big, or it can go really wrong. Now, if you want to go short now, financial advice, personally, I would also not do that. Again, we got a lot of bullish indicators here. This is still gamma squeezing. Apes are still in here, so it may not be the best idea to short this during a potential gamma/short squeeze. Again, this should eventually come back up to 47 cents to fill the gap there, which would be about a 50% upside potential. And again, this may come back down to 18 cents where the critical support is, which would be about a 45% downside potential. So I would say going short at the current price, 31.42 cents would also be a high risk, high reward play. This is a pretty decent entry to go short, an above average entry, but I think the better play would be to hold off, see if this continues to squeeze, and if it does break 47 cents, then I think that would be an excellent entry to start shorting this down. So I don't like the current entry of 31.42 cents on the short side, but I can't support going short at 47 cents and higher. So in summary, the stock has been low-key squeezing for the past week, still squeezing, not over yet. So good luck to all you apes. I hope everyone prints some fat tendies. So again, either way, long or short, this is more like a gamble than an investment right now. So if you guys want to gamble, please do that at your own risk. Personally, I think it's better just to sit this one out. And if this does, in fact, keep squeezing to the upside, then I think it would be good to start a short position. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is MULN, Mullen Automotive. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See ya guys tomorrow. Peace out.